Welcome back into the schematic code channel. The topic of this video, how to install a libraries in a Proteus 8. Now I show you the two methods. By using these two methods you can install the libraries in a Proteus 8, and make sure you watch this video completely because I think so you like the second method most. For the first method, first of all you need the libraries. So for the libraries, you need to come on this download Proteus library web page on my website. So link in the description. So these are all the web libraries. Few not have the images, but maybe I add it after some time. Now there are the lot of libraries, so you can filter it out. So now for this video I show you how we can add this AC8712 current sensor. Okay, click on it, you can read it out, and this is the download button. When you first time trying to be downloading the Proteus library from my web tool, then there is the one problem a lot of people asking me, like first of all you need to be wait for 18 seconds, and now here he said that downloading is not start. It's not start because the Chrome most of time pop-up, they block the pop-ups, so you need to click on it and click on allow and then click on done. So in that way then it's automatic is not start because the Chrome block it. So first of all there is the option, I do it, you watch it, you need to be allow the pop-ups, and when you allow the pop-ups then you need to be click on if your download did not start, click here, then click on it and you can save it. So now you see download, they downloaded it. Now this is the downloading is complete. So in that way you can download the libraries. Right now there are the 69 libraries, so with the pass of the time I add more and more libraries on this web tool, so you can visit it out. This is the sensor file which I downloading for the Proteus right now, and first of all I need to be extracted here for installing it. This is the installation step. Click on it, open it, and there is the two things, library and models. So click on library. So this is the library, so I need to be place the library and I need to be place the models. So first of all I click on library, copy it. So this is the Proteus 8 professional, right click on it and open the file location. So in the case of Proteus 7, the library folder is into the simple Proteus 8 professional folder. It is in that same location where the bin, data and driver library folder. Now in the case of Proteus 8, the library folder is into the data, this one, click on it and paste it here. So now I paste the library folder here. After placing the library folder, we need to be moved toward the models folder. In the model folders there are the 3 models, so we need to be copy these files, again come on the Proteus file location, and here we need to be in the same file in same way into the data folder. I have this model folder, so paste it here. So I pasted the model folders here and then close it. Now we run the Proteus and we see this sensor is added properly or not. Now you see this is the ACS712 sensor, this one, okay, added 5 ampere, 20 ampere and 30 ampere properly. So in that way you can install the library in the Proteus 8. This is the first method. Now we move toward the second method. So for the second method you need to this software which is the Proteus library manager, and link into the description. So you just go there, there's the method to name and the link, so you fill the form and then this software is on your inbox. So right click on it and extract it. So when you download this software, simply need to be extracted here. After extracting, this is the plm.exe file, simply run it, quick setup, click on quick setup. So they ask me because I already downloaded, so that's why they ask me you already have this software, so I just will say yes to all. But in your case you first time downloading this, few seconds, okay. This Proteus library manager is installed. They have the very good libraries, but they have a few libraries. Okay, so if you want to be installed this one, then they have these libraries which you see here. They have this total 17 libraries. So if you want, you can install it, and it's very easy to be installing and downloading. So if you want to be installed this Arduino Nano, or maybe we say that HC05 Bluetooth module, if we want to be downloaded. So now you see there is the install button, so we click on install. So now they install it. Perfect. So you don't need to be go anywhere to be down after downloading to be place the files. It's automatically do it for you. Now they have this option. Make sure this is the Proteus 8. So this is only for Proteus 8. Okay, right now it's not for different Proteus. So make sure you have a Proteus 8, then you use this Proteus library manager. So I show you, they say that they added this Bluetooth module, and we see they added or not. So make sure if your Proteus is not in the running condition when you adding the libraries or installing it, or installing through the Proteus library manager. So if your Proteus into the running condition, then just be close it and then again run it. So we go into the big devices, and here I write down the Bluetooth. This is the same Bluetooth module which is I see in that way. So now I add a more like this gas sensor. So click on install. They installed it. Now you see they don't show me the gas sensor. Okay, why they don't show me? Because I don't close it. When they install it, the library into the Proteus 8, then that way, that time Proteus 8 is into running condition, then it's not showing me to the latest library which I added. So I need to be close it here and again run it. So now I search it here, gas. Okay, this gas sensor is not working. I install it, I delete it, again install it, close the Proteus, but they are not installed properly. But I tried a different one, like I tried this LCD, this is working, OLED, this is working. Okay, now this is the OLED. Okay, this is the OLED, so it's working. I installed it. Now this is the different sensors also there. Very important sensor like infrared sensor is there, Hall effect sensor is there, gas sensor is not working, HC-SR0 ultrasonic sensor. Okay, XB module there, and RF module, TX and TX43 receiver. So these are two modules also very. And there's the Arduino Mega is working, Arduino Mega 2560 working, Uno is working, Arduino Nano is working, this Bluetooth module is working, and L298 hand motor driver I already utilize it, so it's working. So only the gas sensor is not working from all these 17 libraries they have. So I hope so you understand how you can use this Proteus library manager. So if you want to be uninstall it, so simply click on delete, and they're deleting the files. Okay, now in that way you can download, install the libraries without any kind of hassle, and in same way you can delete the files. Please like this video and also tell me which method you mostly like. Comment below down, and I see you the next time.